Welcome back. 140 workers of Animal Husbandry Department have asked assurance from the Chief Minister on their regularization in service. They were appointed by the past government almost 7 months back, but since appointment they are not allowed to work as their appointment is in dispute. Finally, Chief Minister has assured them to fix a meeting with the department officials on Friday to discuss the issue.
आम्ही सांगपाक सोदता की आमचे 150 ते सगळे फूल अटेंडंट ना आसा ते कमी आसा बाकीचे आसा फील्ड असिस्टंट बी आसा ते सांगचे सीएमान समजून घेवपाचें आनी कितें तरी बाबा ताणें एक्शन घेवन आमकां बेगीनच्या बेगीन कामाक लावपाचें नाल्यार एक तर सांगपाचें ना म्हणून नाल्यार आमी फुडें कितें आमची तयारी सगळे मेळून कितें आमी ठरयता त्या प्रमाणे आमी ठरोवन फुडें कितें तरी करपाचें आमी ठरयलां.
These recruits had worked for 15 days before the code of conduct was in force. These employees are agitated after department declared fresh vacancies of milkman and other posts. They are demanding a concrete assurance from CM on their job security.
15 दिसांनी काम केल्लें 15 दिसांनी मागीर कोड लागलो कारणान आमकां घरा कडेन बसयल्ले आज पर्यंत हांव फॅमिली मेंबर हांव म्हाका ल्हान भुरगीं आसा म्हाका फॅमिली हांव हें करता आनी म्हाजी हेजेरूच सगळी फॅमिली चलता. आयज हांव 8 म्हयने जाले बेकार आसा ते परिकर सरकारान हें मातशें आमचे मनार घेवचें आनी कितें तें आमकां सांगचें बरे भशेन.
Also amongst these are 3 physically disabled fresh recruits. Their pension was stopped following appointment during code of conduct.
आई आनी बाबा घरा कडेन आसा ती बेकार आसा आनी तांकां काम ना म्हाका पेन्शन येतालें तें बंद केलें आनी पेन्शन येतालें आतां 2000 केलें पेन्शन तें अजून पेन्शनूय ना आनी येवंक ना.
Video journalist Omkar Fadari for Prudent.
Now news from sports. The tenders for repair and upgradation work on Tilak Maidan in Vasco and Nehru Stadium at Fatorda will finally be floated on Wednesday. Admitting the loss of few days due to some administrative hiccups, Sports Authority of Goa Executive Director Elvis Gomes categorically stated the intent of getting the work done in time for I-League.
Around 5-6 days we have lost, we do admit that. The reason I really do not know because this has happened at the secretariat level. Some small administrative hiccups were there, I was not in town, which we have overcome yesterday, and both the tenders are going today for publication.
Okay. The Tilak Maidan, in what capacity is it going to be renovated? Because the I-League clubs also are wondering whether they can carry on their half-time show and on all those kinds of things. The spectators, the ticket printing. In what capacity is the Tilak Maidan going to be upgraded?
See, right now if you know the state of affairs at Tilak Maidan, you will agree with me that it is not a stadium worth even considering for a good quality match or even professional match, Goa professional match. So we decided that this is the right time to go for its upgradation because if it is there, it has to be maintained well and it has to serve the purpose. There's simply no point in keeping it as it is and not using it to the desired level. Tilak Maidan will get floodlights. Tilak Maidan will get proper dressing rooms and referees room, dope room, medical room and a good VIP box. And both the stands will be done up wherever required. See, the tender condition is that the contractor will be told to finish the work in 75 days. Right now we get exactly 60 days in hand, rest of the work can continue. Within 60 days I am confident the contractor should be able to do these internal changes.
That's for Tilak?
For Tilak.
Okay.
Our sports reporter Nikhil Pereira with senior video journalist Tulsidas Chari from Kampal.
Goa's oldest football club, Vasco Sports Club, will henceforth be known as NRB Vasco. Chairman and MD of NRB Group Narayan Bandekar announced this sponsorship deal in Vasco on Monday evening. President of the club Nitin Bandekar has said immediate qualification to I-League is the target.
Vasco Sports Club has been rechristened to NRB Vasco, and these are the new jerseys of the club that were unveiled on Monday.
The team reaches the I-League in the first year itself because the composition of the team and the players is such that we have a balanced pool of players. And according to the directors of the sports club, we are hoping that we reach the I-League this year itself. Because once we reach the I-League, then it's the best thing for any possible team in Goa or in India to play in the I-League.
Any foreigners are coming for this Vasco club?
We are looking at one player from the Asian origin. I think, as you said, somebody from Brazil. So I hope when he comes, we complete our pool of foreign quota players. That is three. That is two foreigners and one player of Asian origin.
Our reporter Surendra Madkaikar for Prudent Media.
If you have missed our bulletin, log on to www.prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter at PrudentGoa. Meet us on Facebook at www.facebook.com/prudentmedia. With this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent Media. Goodbye.